Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all creatures real and imaginary, we are the Hollow Trees. How's everybody doing today? We're thrilled to be here at the 50th annual Topanga Banjo and Fiddle Contest. 50th annual.
Woohoo! Happy birthday to the festival.
So this song I think is appropriate for the weather. It's called Ain't Gonna Rain. Also, if you want to play along and get warmed up, this song's in G. G.
Okay, I like that.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The night was dark and dreary, the air was full of sleep. The old man stood out in the road, the shoes all full of feet. Well, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more, it ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more? Come on, Matt. Well, Skeeter, he fly high, Skeeter, he fly low. Hold the Skeeter light on me. You wanna go? Gonna fly no more. Well, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more? Come on, G. I know a guy named Nelson.
That's right.
He lives in a hollow tree. Every time I visit him, he sings a song for me. Sometimes it's an old one, sometimes it isn't new. And when I stay till supper time, he feeds me Irish stew. Well, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more? Come on, Matt.
I got one.
Go with it.
Here we go. I'm sitting on a railroad track. His heart was all aflutter. Train came roaring around the bend. Peanut butter.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more? Well, my uncle built a chimney. He built it up so high.
How high?
Had to tear it down again.